Hey, what is going on? Welcome back to another crypto news video. Today we do have a couple of nice topics to cover, so without further ado, sit back, enjoy, get yourself some coffee, and let's get through this. Now, going off with Orion protocol. So they did release some updates that are going to be coming to their terminal and to the network in general. So depositless trading, fiat on-off ramp, single network view, removal of Orion from circulation, Orion bridge, and more. So really what I want to focus on is the removal of Orion from circulation and the Orion bridge. So they have a link to their blog. All of this is going to be linked in the description. So now jumping to their website. So depositless trading, this is for the VIP NFT holders. If you are one, holders now have access to depositless trading for final testing ahead of public deployment. Fiat on-off ramp, once depositless trading has been publicly released, a fiat on-off ramp aggregator will be deployed on Orion terminal, aggregating every major fiat gateway. This is currently in the final stages of UI optimization before testing and rollout. So that's pretty good as well. And yeah, I want to single network view, we want to take a look at the removal of Orion tokens from circulation. Now, this is going to help the price go up without a doubt. So next week, the team will release the details on the first stage of permanently removing Orion from circulation to reduce supply. Now, that is great. That is some bullish news for Orion, and I think this is going to help push the price to those all-time highs, at least by the end of the year, but I do think we're going to go above the all-time highs. And the Orion Atomic Swap Bridge, now this is something that I'm excited about. The back end of Orion's Atomic Swap Bridge has been built with UI developments underway ahead of launch. So they're going to be launching this in November. So basically what this is it's going to allow you to trade on the Ethereum blockchain with zero fees. So you can go and trade the tokens from Uniswap with paying zero fees through the Orion bridge. And I think this is going to bring the demand to the Orion terminal. So it's, this is so bullish, and I would recommend you buy the dips if you're bullish on Orion. But as always, I'm not a financial advisor. So yeah, that's pretty much it for Orion, guys. Really, really excited about the updates they're coming with. Now, jumping into Daily Crunch, Discord CEO says company has no current plans for crypto integration. Now, there were some rumors going around that Discord was going to integrate MetaMask and into Discord, which would have been pretty cool, I think, but they want to wait it out a bit. I guess you have to have these things, planned out in advance so it doesn't look and doesn't perform in a crappy way when it's released. So maybe they're working on it, and this is just, basically they have to say that they have no current plans, not to raise too many eyebrows, but I don't know. Hopefully, I mean, at the end of the day, I think all the major companies are going to get involved into crypto, and the ones that don't are gonna be hurting themselves in the long term. So yeah, that's it for the Discord. Now, speaking of big companies, we have Grayscale, and we do have their investments holdings. So this is something that I wanted to share with you. Oftentimes you see people talking about Grayscale and how much Bitcoin they have, but not a lot of people realize that they don't only have Bitcoin, they have a lot of altcoins, and I mean a lot. So their total value of their crypto holdings is $57.5 billion, and Bitcoin holds 41.4 billion out of that. So 57, that's 16 billion approximately $16 billion in altcoins. So starting off, they do have Ethereum, 3.1 million Ethereum tokens. They've got 14.5 billion, and in that they do have Ethereum Classic, which I was surprised, but yeah, they do have Ethereum Classic, and it's their top 3 holding. They do have a lot of Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, obviously, Zcash, ZEN. I'm not sure what that token is, so I do apologize. Mana Decentraland, so that's pretty cool. LPT, don't know what is that. Stellar Lumens, Link, Basic Attention Token, and Filecoin. So, you know, I think they know what to invest in. Yeah, I think they'd have at least the most small idea of what to invest in. So if they invested in these coins, then they do realize the potential they have. So if you're looking to buy into anything, then, well, you can pretty much look at these Grayscale holdings. Now, I don't think they're going to be selling a lot of their portfolio before the end of the bull market. I don't think they're going to be selling at all, to be honest with you. They'll just be adding in more crypto throughout these dips. So yeah, and they're constantly like buying and selling, as you can see here. Just today, they bought 657 more Chainlink tokens. So yeah, I'm gonna leave the link to this in the description. Now, also, I want to give a quick shout out to our to my Twitter, and as you can see, I just retweeted here Crypto Aliens of Area 51. So this is a little project that I'm working on with a buddy of mine, and basically we are preparing an NFT collection for you guys, and we're going to be giving away some of the NFTs, and then they're going to be put out on sale, and they will have some nice use cases. We're working on those right now. Hopefully we can get some nice use cases out there for you guys, and 15% of all the money that we make off of this will be going to a charity. I'm not going to share that charity at the minute. I do know where the funds will be going, but all the details are going to be coming in the near future, so stay tuned. Make sure to follow this Twitter account. They're all linked in the description. So yeah, and if you jump into the website, you can see that this is how the aliens look, and we do have a lot more cooler characters coming in very soon. So yeah, let me know what you think of this, and let's move along. Now, jumping into Bitcoin Magazine, a little reminder for you guys, Taproot upgrade comes to Bitcoin tomorrow, and I don't think a lot of people are actually talking about this, weirdly enough. You'd think that people would be talking about, maybe it's just me, yeah, and I don't see anyone talking about it. Maybe the internet's going crazy about this, but I just don't see anyone talking about it. So I'm just going to mention this, guys. Yeah, tomorrow, it may go either way. We may have a little dump after a major upgrade, but we also may pump after the upgrade, because as you see with Ethereum, after their London hard fork, the price didn't correct, and we were, slowly and surely climbing up. And with the Cardano's upgrades in the past, we've seen some sell-offs. So it's interesting to see what Bitcoin does. Obviously, if we have a sell-off, that would be a nice entry point as well for Bitcoin and most of the altcoins. And at the end of the video, as always, I try to give you some food for thought over here. So people quit their Facebook, Insta, TikTok accounts to be more focused on crypto. This is from Bloodgood on Twitter. I'm going to leave him in the description as well. He's a trader and a technical analyst. Then they follow only meme crypto accounts who shitpost all day to kill their time. I literally beg everyone who wants to make it to stay focused for this couple of months. Then you can redeem your old habits. So basically what he's talking about is that people are paying attention to the wrong coins and paying most of their attention to the stuff that won't really matter in a couple of years. So basically the idea is you want to stay focused on some projects that will do tremendously well, and the projects that won't get rug pulled, the projects that will make you money in the next couple of months. And you have to stay focused. You have to make smart decisions, smart trades, because if you FOMO into anything, you can lose your money pretty quickly. And I would suggest you guys, by the end of the year, if you're not planning to sell, at least have, a stop losses. Okay, that's something that could have saved my ass back in May, but I didn't think about it. So now this is a very good suggestion that I'm going to be using regarding the stop loss. But yeah, pay attention, guys. Learn the charts, learn the technology behind crypto, because if someone comes to you and asks, hey, why do you invest in crypto? And you go, well, I mean, it's going to make me money. Well, I guess that's a good, answer, but wouldn't be wouldn't it be better if you could say like, well, I invest because, this technology does this, and I think this project is going to do well because it has this coming up. Just know what you're investing in basically, and try to put some time into crypto, and don't waste your time on stuff, because for the past like couple of months I'm really trying hard not to waste my time, try to wake up early and be as productive as possible. And it does feel good at certain moments. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching. Let me know if I missed out any maybe news you want me to cover. Leave a comment down below, leave a like if you enjoyed the video. Check me out on Twitter, check out the Telegram chat, check out the Discord server, and do check me out please on Patreon. We do have a Patreon. I do post some nice coins in here that I find early, and I'm only going to share them on Patreon, and only like a month or a couple of weeks later I will give them away on the Telegram chat or wherever. But yeah, and those coins have done pretty well so far, and I do basically cover some stuff that it's going to be helpful. So a lot of exclusive content and more personal one-on-one connection, guys, with you. So think of this as buying a cup of coffee, for example, and instead of the coffee you get some valuable information that may make you a ton of money in the future. So yeah, thank you for watching. I'm gonna catch you in the next one. Goodbye and good night.